Hi guys! Bonjour à tous! This is Romy. Welcome to this new episode of gift wrapping in which we are going to learn how to make this gift box. I am using this shoe box that I got in my local shoe store, and I am using as well this fabric leftovers that I got from my last project. So first we are going to fold and to iron the raw edges of these two stripes. This is actually the second one. I have already done the first one. Voila! So now we are going to glue it to the shoebox. So I need to measure how much fabric I need. I am going to cut the extra length. You can use regular glue. I am using this glue gun because it's easier with warm glue. It sticks much better. And now we are going to repeat the same operation on the other side. So I'm gluing again. I have already cut the right length. Ooh, it's looking good already. Right, now we need to work on the bow. So I am measuring and cutting the fabric. And I am going to fold it right sides together. Like so. And sewing here and there, and in between I am leaving a small opening. This way I'm going to be able to turn the fabric inside out. I am going to do a few stitches and I'm going to gather the fabric in order to form the bow. Voila, I'm turning around, just making it stick. It's not going to be visible, so you don't need to worry about the finish. And now I am cutting a final stripe. I'm folding it and ironing it as well. And I am going to wrap it around the bow that we just did. Let's measure and cut the right length of fabric, and then I am going to use my glue gun again. Careful, this is very hot. And then when the bow is finished, we just need to glue it to the box. There you go! In my last tutorials, I showed you how to make a tote bag, a matching pouch, as well as cute lavender bags. And this is what we are going to wrap today. And I am going to gift it to my sweet sister. So to make it a little bit more special, I'm going to write a little note with a heart, of course. Voilà, c'est terminé. It's done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as well. Please follow me on Instagram, share this tutorial and try it out yourself. Bye bye. À bientôt.